A little bit of bounce. No rebound on the front. $17mm. Back out the locking nut, not allowing the shaft to turn. Okay, that's 2 nuts. Pull the washer off. Self-locking nuts. We'll replace those. Here's the old shock. Just match up the old and new, same size. Just got to jack it up a little bit so the bolt holes meet. Shock goes the same way the old one came out. Use lock washers and new hardware. 45 Newton meters is 33.2 foot-pounds. That's good. Other side, the same darn thing. Chops right out. Notice the shape of the bushings. Well, while you're under here, might as well inspect the flex discs. These look pretty good. No signs of tear. Looks pretty good. There's 2 different size bushings. The fat one goes on top. Flat washer goes on top. And they use a double capture bolt. The new Busteins came with a self-locking bolt. No torque specification for the upper shock bolt because just keep tightening it until it bottoms out on the threads. That's it. Other side is identical. Install the panels. Final test bounce. Better. Time for the test drive. Car is notably more fun to drive. It actually handles quite nicely in cornering. Here we are on the test drive. This interstate's under construction. There's a lot of bumps, and the shops have made a notable difference in improving the ride